Have you been diagnosed with sleep apnea and prescribed a CPAP? Do you find your mask to be uncomfortable and noisy? If so, there is an alternative. Imagine going to sleep every night wearing an easy-to-use oral appliance. Oral appliances are the #1 alternative for sleep apnea sufferers who cannot tolerate CPAP. An oral appliance is an easy-to-use, effective solution to manage your sleep apnea.
For sufferers of sleep apnea living in Houston and the surrounding area, Dr. Lalji, owner of Lake Point Dental Sleep and TMJ Therapy, offers oral appliance therapy as an alternative to CPAP. Dr. Lalji welcomes new patients with a complimentary sleep evaluation, and most medical insurances are accepted. To schedule a complimentary sleep evaluation with Dr. Lalji, call 281-860-2422.